Hi guys, how's it going? I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing for you. It's a Filippo Loreti watch. They sell really good looking watches for a really good price and advertise through Instagram and Facebook and things like that. And I actually bought it through Facebook Messenger. It was an early bird offer and a pre-order that came with a free gift. It was only about $100 for a really nice looking watch. And I thought this unboxing would be useful for people that are on the edge, not sure whether to buy one or not, because they're not sure about A, the quality, and B, the service, ordering something from the States. I ordered this back in October. It was a pre-order that was supposed to come on the 15th of December. It arrived today on the 31st of December, so there was a bit of a delay, but they were good at sending me comms. They said that there was an issue with the production as they were trying to get one of the minor details, the number on the car on the back of the watch, absolutely right. So the comms was actually really good, and they make it feel like you're ordering this and they're producing it and making it on the back of your order, so it's a made to order product. So here goes, here's the unboxing. So this is the free gift that I got. It arrived via UPS, by the way, and I got a text to say it was arriving and an email to say it had been delivered. So all the comms there really good, because I was a bit worried it might get stuck in customs coming from the States, but no issues like that. So this is the free gift, which should be a watch strap. Yep, I wasn't expecting it to be brown, to be honest. But there it is. Leather. Looks pretty good quality. Take it out of here. There you go. And here's the watch itself. The moment of truth. I haven't actually seen it yet. So, standard black box that you slide out. No, you don't. There's a little catch there. What's this? A little note in here. Filippo Loreti, you are amazing. We just wanted to thank you for your patience and support during this time. Enjoy your new watch. Yours sincerely, Filippo Loreti team. That's a nice little touch. It does look well packaged, actually. I can't see it getting damaged in here. Okay, so that slides out. Then you've got a better quality box in here. That slides out like the watch strap. And then that is actually quite a nice design. There's got Filippo Loreti there. Ordered it such a long time ago, I can't actually remember what it was called. And it's quite hard to read that as well. Ascari, I think, or Ascari. It's in italics. Oh, wow. Very nice. You can do it. There you go. One thing I've noticed, it's not actually, doesn't seem to be like working. The second hand doesn't seem to be moving, but maybe it just needs winding up or something. So that comes out as well. And there's a little cloth in there for cleaning. And instructions. Ascari quartz series, adjusting the time. Pull out the crown, turn it, that's standard. How to use the chronograph. Press the pusher at 2 o'clock to start the chronograph. Press the pusher at 2 o'clock again to stop it. Restarts and stops the chronograph, can be reset many times. Instructions to clean. Just a little bit of advice basically on how to keep it in good condition. So now for the watch itself. I wanted a blue watch basically, but I didn't want to spend too much. Some watches are like over £1,000, aren't they? Considering this was $100, does look good quality. It's really heavy actually. Nice build quality that. This has got a rubber strap, but it actually does feel like a really nice texture. And then there's the car on the back. Let's see if they've actually got the number on there, because that was what held up the production. That's why there was a delay with the delivery. It's water resistant as well to 100 meters. Not that I'm ever going to go that deep, so that's fine. The watch face itself is a little bit smaller than I was expecting. And there is a number on there, I think. You can just about see it. But it's quite nice. It's inspired by racing, so there's like a car on the back. I mean, no one's going to be looking at the back of your watch, but it is quite a nice touch. So everything looks fine apart from the fact it's not actually running. There's a little clip in there. You see that? Little plastic clip. I'll take that out. That's out and fell on the floor. Then push that in. Ah, now it's working. There you go, that's a nice touch. There you go, it's now working, guys. So just need to set the time, 1:21. Let's try it on. There you go, that's not bad. The watch face is a bit smaller than I was hoping for and expecting, but it still feels nice. It's a good fit. And I'm quite pleased with that. So there you go. I hope that helps if there's anyone out there that's seen the Filippo Loreti watches when they've been browsing Facebook, Instagram, etc. and they think they look really, really nice, but they're a bit unsure as to whether they're going to be a decent quality or arrive safely from the States. Well, I can assure you they do. Really pleased with that for $100. All right, so take care, guys. Happy shopping. See you soon. Bye.